Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Warriors, where we make investing easy and fun. I'm Nicholas, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, these strategies will help you build a solid foundation for your investment journey. Investing can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right strategies, you can make smart decisions and grow your wealth over time. So, let's get started. Strategy number 1: diversify your portfolio. We'll explain why spreading your investments across different assets can reduce risk and improve your chances of returns. Ready to learn more? Let's jump right into it. Alright, let's dive into strategy number 1. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even commodities. The idea is that if one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing out your overall risk. For example, instead of putting all your money into one stock, you could invest in a variety of stocks from different industries, or even consider mutual funds and ETFs that give you exposure to multiple assets. Remember, the goal is to reduce risk and improve potential returns. Now let's move on to strategy number 2. Invest for the long term. Investing for the long term means holding on to your investments for several years or even decades. This strategy allows you to take advantage of compound interest and market growth over time. Instead of trying to time the market or chase short-term gains, focus on investments that will grow steadily. History shows that the stock market tends to rise over the long term despite short-term fluctuations. Patience is key here. Stay committed to your long-term plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market volatility. Strategy number 3. Do your research. Before investing in anything, make sure you understand what you're investing in. This means researching the companies you're interested in, understanding their business models, financial health, and market position. Look at financial statements, read analyst reports, and stay informed about market trends. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Let's move on to strategy number 4. Stay consistent. Regular investing, such as monthly contributions, helps build your portfolio over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your bank to your investment account. This way, you're consistently investing without having to think about it. Consistency takes the emotion out of investing and ensures you're continually building your wealth. Finally, strategy number 5, rebalance your portfolio. Over time, your investment allocations can drift due to market performance. Rebalancing involves adjusting your portfolio back to your desired asset allocation. This helps manage risk and keeps your investment strategy aligned with your goals. Review your portfolio at least once a year and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. So, there you have it. The top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Diversify your portfolio, invest for the long term, do your research, stay consistent, and rebalance your portfolio. By following these strategies, you can build a solid foundation for your investment journey and work towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more investment tips and strategies. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing!